this is hard to hear, but most developers never actually get better. Not because they are stupid, not because they don't work hard, but because they practice the wrong thing for a very long time. And if you are still watching, there's a good chance this applies to you. Let me explain. Most developers spend years busy watching tutorials, trying new engines, starting new projects, learning new tools. It looks like progress. It feels like progress, but nothing really changed. Because improvement doesn't come from doing more. It comes from doing the right thing repeatedly. And here's the pattern I see over and over. You hit a point where something gets hard. Debugging, design decision, performance, finishing. So instead of pushing through that discomfort, you switch context, new tutorial, new engine, new idea, new hope. And your brain loves that. Starting feels good, struggling feels bad. So you accidentally train yourself to avoid that exact moment that cause growth. And that's the trap. Most developers aren't bad at learning. They are bad at staying with the problem long enough to actually understand it. And here's why this matters for you. Because after a while, you start noticing something scary. You have been doing the game dev for years, but your confidence hasn't grown with your time. You still hesitate before opening a project. You still rely on tutorials. You still avoid certain systems. At some point, you ask, why don't I feel more capable than before? That question hurts. And instead of answering it honestly, most people blame the tools, the engine, the language, the industry. But the real issue is simpler. You don't improve by staying comfortable. You improve by revisiting the same hard problems until they stop being hard. Most developers never do that. They touch 10 things once instead of one thing 10 times. They mistake exposure for mastery, and modern tools make this even worse because everything is faster, more automated, more polished. So you can avoid understanding things for a very long time without realizing it until you hit a wall that shortcuts can't get you past. That usually when people say, maybe I'm just not cut out for this. But that's not true. You didn't fail to improve. You just never practiced improvement itself. And here's the uncomfortable fix. Stop measuring performance by how much you learned, how many videos you watched, how many features you touched, and start measuring it by how long you stayed stuck, how deep you understood one problem, how many things you finished without help. That's where skill actually forms. And if this video made you pause for a second, good. That pause is awareness. And awareness is the first real improvement most developers ever make. If this hit like. It helps this reach the people who needs it. Subscribe if you want dev videos that don't lie to you. And also tutorials on Unreal to better understand everything of why, how, where, when it exists. And subscribe if you want dev videos that don't lie to you and teach you something. Now go back to the thing you have been avoiding. That's where the real growth is.